When it comes to mobile computing, you've got choices. Lots of them. Barcodes Inc. has been helping companies make the right technology choices since 1994. And a great choice for improving productivity is Janam's XM75 rugged mobile computer. The XM75's compact form factor, combined with larger keypad design, delivers the ideal solution for organizations that want an easy-to-use keypad and large touchscreen in the same device. It provides loads of advanced features to optimize productivity. It's Android-powered, has a brilliant 4.3-inch touchscreen with Gorilla Glass 3, superior 2D barcode scanning, and integrated RFID and NFC. With 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth, the XM75 delivers lightning-fast, reliable voice and data, plus extended shift battery life ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the workday. And an optional gun trigger handle accessory is available for comfort and convenience in scan-intensive environments. At 10.5 ounces, the XM75 is one of the lightest yet most rugged devices in its class. It's built to withstand multiple 5-foot drops to concrete, can endure extreme temperatures, and boasts an IP67 rating, which means it is protected from dust and can withstand submersion in up to 3 feet of water. The XM75 can accelerate workflows, increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve the bottom line. Let Barcodes Inc. show you how well Janam's XM75 meets your unique requirements.